In world of huge and laughter bright, a guiding star, a loving light. Mom's embrace warm and true, a love that's endless just for you. Through playful days and steady nights, she is there to mend little fright. Her lullabies a soothing song. In her love you truly belong. With gentle hands and caring eyes, a superhero in a sweet disguise. She teaches joy, she wipes each tear, a mother love forever near. In every smile, in every cheer, mom's love whisper crystal clear, a treasured truth or warmth and grace. In her embrace you find your place. So here's to mom, both near and far, guiding us like a shining star. In every hug and every kiss, a mother's love, pure bliss.